with interest rates going up all the time and the prices of houses going up all the time also, it's very hard for a first-time home buyer to buy a house. It's getting out of their reach. What to do? Stick around, I'll tell you. Hi, I'm Marty, broker owner of Twin County Realty. And today we're going to talk about Ashley Stockrahm assistance programs to help people get a house. Okay, we're here today with Ashley Stockrahm, who's certified mortgage planners, who knows everything there is to know about assistance for first-time buyers. So, Ashley, I'll let you take it away.
Okay, so we are currently offering a 100% financing program. It is in comparison to the Hometown Heroes program. I personally think it's better, and I'm not saying that because I offer it, but it does give a lot more options in terms of what you can qualify for with this program type. So for starters,
this the one on the screen?
Yep, this is it on the screen. So
Okay.
For starters, we only require a 580 credit score for this program. Hometown Heroes requires a 640. So people that are struggling with their credit a little bit more may not qualify for the Hometown Heroes program, but this is an option for that. The debt to income ratios for the Hometown Heroes program is 45% on the back end, while our program is 56% on the back end. So it gives you more buying power. It's no secret that today's market is a lot higher than what it has been in the past. So we definitely need room to be able to squeeze some of that amount in. With our program, non-occupying co-borrowers are allowed. And you do not have to be a first-time home buyer for this program. It covers 100% of your down payment, and then you would be responsible for your closing costs unless you can get them negotiated through seller concessions. There is no income limits on this particular program. We take about 30 days to close for this, while the Hometown Heroes can be 45 to 60. We don't run out of funds. Hometown home buyers, you can get approved for that and be house shopping, and then there can be a likelihood that there's no funding available. All job positions qualify with our program versus Hometown Heroes. They have limited positions that you qualify for. If you're not within those positions, then you just don't qualify. While this one, if you have a job, your income will qualify. There is a second lien that's created on this for the 100% financing that they cover. The second lien is at 6% over a 10-year period. You can opt to pay it off sooner if you choose to do so, or if you go to sell the house, refinance, or what have you, you would then at that point have to include that in the transfer. Payment amount, there is no cap. It is an FHA program, so there is a loan limit. However, there is no cap on the amount. It's 3.5% in total. Other than that, most of it, I mean, you pretty much, if you have the ability to buy a house, you would qualify for the down payment program. Definitely something to take advantage of, especially right now.
Very good.
The other program that we operate on is the Community House Initiative of Brevard. This program, they'll give you up to $32,500. It is an income-based program. Yep, there we go. It is an income-based program. You cannot be a first-time home, or you have to be a first-time home buyer, cannot have owned a home within the last 3 years. They are a little bit more trickier to qualify because they have their own qualifying limits outside of just qualifying for a mortgage. It is a household income limit size and not just the person on the application that they take into consideration. You cannot have a mobile home. You do have to have an out-of-pocket. They do want you to have at least $4,000 towards the purchase of your own money. You cannot have any NSFs over the last 6 months of bank statements. And you can't have—
NSF is bouncing a check?
Yep, that's bouncing a check or having a negative on your account over a 6-month period. So there are some items that we would be okay with on the mortgage side, but on their side, they have their own qualifying factors. Their back end ratio is 42%. However, again, they have their own rules. So the way that they qualify is different. They do not take student loans into account and other things that we on the mortgage side may take into account into your ratios. So our ratios can differ very much so.
That's very big, the student loans, huh? A lot of first-time
Right.
home
Well,
buyers.
with student loans, we have to count them to, against your liability. While if you don't have a payment listed on them, then they don't count them. So, I mean, we qualify you and then we send you over there over to Community Housing Initiative of Brevard to conduct a phone interview with them to see if you qualify within their realms. And then if you do, from that point, they will let you know how much you qualify for, and then you're free to shop.
Cool.
So that program is a little bit more extensive in terms of qualifying, because you do have to go through us first. We send you over there and you have to go through a little mini qualifying interview with them as well, versus the other program for the 100% financing. Once you're qualified with us, you're just qualified and are free to shop.
Okay, with CHI, you have to go through their home buyer education.
You
program,
do. They
right?
do require you take a class through them. The class is pretty simple and it's actually really informative. They have local lenders that come and speak. I actually was one of the lenders that go and speak with them every other month or so. And I mean, it is honestly something you want to take advantage of locally if you do qualify, because the money is there. Again, I had somebody about not too long ago qualify for $32,500. They cover down payment, closing costs, and or repairs on the home if needed. So yeah, it is definitely the best. And they don't have a fixed rate that goes with the program, like many other down payment assistance programs go for. So you get whatever interest rate you qualify for with a regular loan.
Can that classes be done online?
Nope, they do require it be in person.
Okay, okay. That's usually on weekends?
Yes, Saturdays normally.
Cool. But how about for the first program? Do you need a
So they require a down payment. They do require a first-time home buyers program to be class to be taken. However, it's online. It's pretty simple. It's just click, 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 and you print the certificate. So it's not as extensive as the CHI program, the community housing.
Okay, so your first program had to be paid back in 6 years, you said?
10 years at 6%.
10 years.
Yep.
Okay. And the CHI?
CHI, depending on what program you qualify for, because they have several different setups, is depending on how it goes. But normally it is payable. They do like a non-interest bearing account where you don't have to make payments on it every month. It's just due if you go to refinance or sell the house. But they do have other ones where you may have to make a $25 a month payment towards it. It just depends on what area and what programs are available at that given time.
$25 is not bad.
No, not when you're buying a house, for sure, especially with the way rent's gone up so much here recently.
Okay, so how does somebody get a hold of you?
You can reach me at 321-458-3725, or you could apply online at www.ashleyflhomeloans.com.
There it is right here. Oh, that wasn't bad. Sounds pretty good. So people should just call you up and you can hook them up right away. How long does it take for them to find out whether they qualify?
Usually by end of business, depending on when you call, but less than 24 hours for sure.
Super. And the CHI program, will they allow a co-signer?
Only if they're going to occupy the property, and they have to be a first timer as well.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yep. So, and
Sounds good.
versus this other program, pretty much anything goes. If you have a mom that owns their own house already, they can go on the loan and they don't have to live there.
Okay. And those programs will allow manufactured homes?
No.
Neither one.
Neither one. All of the ones that I've ever encountered do not allow manufactured homes. They do
Okay.
allow condos and townhouses, however.
Okay, very good. Good to know.
Yep.
Well, that was fast and easy. Thanks for being here, and we'll see what we can do next time. Oh, let me ask you about what's going on with mortgage interest rates? What's the scuttlebutt? They're going up?
No, they actually took a little bit of a dip as of yesterday. I had priced someone recently, Friday? I priced them at 4.875, and I was able to price them at 4.25 as of yesterday. So they have taken a little bit of a dip, which, people that were running around previously with a 5.5% interest rate with that little bit of a dip, they may be able to go up in their qualifying amounts and such as they house shop. So it gives us a little bit of leverage for sure.
It helps. Very good.
Yep.
All right. We'll see you next time. Thanks a
Hey,
lot.
you too, sir. Talk to you later. Have a great day.
Bye. If you made it this far in this video, you probably like what you're seeing. In that case, hit that subscribe button below, and you'll be notified whenever I put up a new video. If you're looking to buy or sell in either Brevard or Indian River counties, call me, text me, or leave me a comment below. I'll be glad to help you out.